Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is, you can see here, this is the general electric oven. This oven, according to the customer, it is top heater is working, but down portion is not getting heat. That's mean down heater not working. Now I'm going to repair this one. Also I will show you how to repair, what we can do, and we will go to the next step. Now dear friends, you can see here, I open the both door. This one actually it is like that, it will come. This door no problem, but the thing is, this one up heater thermostat, this is down heater thermostat. Now I'm opening here both thermostat. Now I will select here, this one I will show you. This is thermostat both up and down heaters. Now this one, while we selecting here, only the top heater it will work. Here while selecting this one, only the down, this one together, it should work actually. Now we will check this one, griller with the fan, only the fan. This one only the griller, this one only the fan. We will check one by one. Yes dear, it's all working. Fan also working, but problem this, while we are selecting up and down, it's down only work, up only working, down not working. Yes dear, while I'm keeping near the heater my hand, I can feel it is getting warm. That means it's getting heat. But here this one, here that one actually not getting heat. Because of that, now I have to remove the cover and we will check what is the problem exactly. After that we can understand. We have to remove the cover. After that we can understand. First of all, we will disconnect the power. I have to disconnect. I have to unscrew all the screws. So many screws are here. I remove already all the screws. Now we can take it out. Now we can check here thermostat whether working or not. You can see here it is already, continuity is there. Now I will switch off. You can hear the noise. That is no issue, it's working fine. We will check other one also. Yes dear, both thermostat are okay. This is actually thermal fuse. Now we have to check this one. You can see here, this thermostat only for the up. This one they given only for the down. Now anyway, we have to check properly why it's not working together. Now dear friends, we can check the heater. Heater continuity we will check first. Now we can check the heater. Heater is okay, no any issue. Heater continuity showing. The problem only the selector switch, because it's not selecting. Now we will remove these wires. This is the wire for the down heater. Connected all the wires from the selector switch. Now we can check here. It's not showing any continuity with these two, and we will check this one also. Yes, it's showing. That's mean I selected here up and down heater. Now it's showing. Also we will check with other. Now again we will check with these two. It's not showing here. This is the connection it should be. While we are giving this two, and I'm selecting here. Now I selected here up and down heater. You can see here up and down. Now continuity showing. Continuity showing this with this two. You can see here. Any other not showing, only these two showing. That's mean dear friends, this switch already gone. Actually it is not showing continuity, only two side only showing. Because of that we have to replace the switch. After that it will be okay. We will change the switch and we will check. Now dear friends, I'm going to remove this selector switch, because it's not working, only one side only working. Because of that, this one I'm going to replace this one. Now it's not working because of that. Now I'm going to change this one. This is the new one. I can give connections. Be the down, this one should be up. Now I will give the connection here like this. It is for the up heater. This one should be the down. I'm going to use this wire. and I'm giving this one to the thermal fuse down. Also, this is the power connection, should be like that. Yes dear, now it is connections, it's okay. Now I will fix here. Now dear, this is off position. Now I will show you the connection. This one power. Now you can see it is not showing continuity, that means it is off position. Now I will select heater both together. I already select both together, that means this two show continuity, you can see here. Now my wiring connections is okay. Now we will give the power connection and we will check. Now it should work properly. Now dear friends, I already given power connection. Now I can check here. Now I'm selecting both together, that means it should come to here power. Yes dear, you can see here it is power already here. Also it should come here also. Now both heaters should work. Now we will check here. Yes dear, now it is working together. We will wait for a while, after that we can understand it is whether working both together or not. Now it should work actually. Yes dear friends, it is working together. This one already gone. This switch is damaged. It's not showing continuity. It's not coming together. Because of that I replaced the switch. Now this switch is working properly. I given correct wiring connection also. Now dear friends, I select griller motor. You can see here it's working. I select griller and fan together. You can see here fan also working. Now my job already completed. I have to close the door panel only, cover only. Dear friends, my work already completed. Fan, light and both heaters are everything perfectly working. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.